Hello everyone, wishing you a very good morning. Today is 6th September of 2022. Myself Bansi Chawda of class 12 and
I am Ritika of class 12. We are wishing you a good morning. Let's start a fresh morning with greatness and prosperity. Honorable Principal and respected all the teachers and my dear schoolmates.
when you turn your worry into worship, God will turn your battles into blessings. To enlighten us and brighten our morning assembly, I would like to call Miss Payal to deliver good thoughts of the day.
Hello everyone, wishing you a very good morning. Today I will present some good thoughts in front of you. The first one is, trust the one who sees tears behind your smile, love behind your anger, and reason behind your silence. The second one is, to remember who you are, you need to forget what they told you to be. And the third one is, a negative mind can never give you a positive life. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Payal, to deliver good thoughts. As you all know, full form of newspaper: North, East, West, South, Present and Past. Even to report first what's happening around the world is essential duty for us. So I would like to invite Ms. Hirwa to present a bulletin news in front of us. Hello everyone, wishing you a very good morning. My name is Pimpa Hirwa of class 12 and today I will present some fresh news in front of you all. The center has called a meeting of health experts to review and revise guidelines related to monkeypox in country. The meeting is being chaired by Dr. L. Swasticharan, who is the Director of Medical Relief. India and the exchange their views on various issues such as the counter-terrorism and on peacekeeping as the part of UNSC agenda. Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar met with the Secretary of State Anthony Blinken in a bilateral meeting on the sidelines of the Asian Regional Forum being held in Cambodia. Thank you.
Thank you, Irva. Here, I would like to call Miss Megha on the stage to ask the question in front of us.
Hello, good morning. My name is Silu Megha from Standard 11th Commerce. Today I will present question answer in front of you all. First one is, who discovered the law of gravity? Option A, Isaac Newton. Option B, Archimedes. Option C, Einstein. Option D, Edison. Yes, the option A is Isaac Newton. The second one is, where is the Nile River located? Option A, Nigeria. Option B, America. Option C, Africa. And option D, Egypt. Answer is option D, Egypt. The third one is, Islamabad is the capital of which country? Option A, Pakistan. Option B, Sri Lanka. Option C, Bhutan. And option D, Nepal. Yes, right answer is option A, Pakistan. The fourth one is, did the first Gujarati film A, Bhakt Prahlad, B, Madi Jaya Veer, C, Narsi Mehta and D, Dholamar? The right answer is Narsi Mehta. Fifth one is, when did India become a republic? Option A, 1958, option B, 1970, 1947, option C, 1950 and option D, 1948. The right answer is 1950. Sixth one is, which place is not in Gujarat? Option A, Abu, option B, Ambaji, option C, Ahwa and option D, Saputara. Yes, option A, Abu. 8. The last one is, where is the headquarters of World Health Organization located? Option A, Geneva, option B, Paris, option C, New York. The correct answer is option A, Geneva. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Megha. So, I would like to invite Miss Payal on the stage to make us laugh.
Hello everyone, wishing you a very good morning. Today I will present some jokes in front of you. The first one is, a man tells his doctor, "Doctor, help me. I am addicted to Twitter." The doctor, "Sorry, I can't because I don't follow you on Instagram." The second one is, patient, "Oh doctor, I am just so nervous. This is my first operation. Doctor, don't worry, mine too." The third one is, dad, "If you failed in exam, then don't call me dad after results." Dad to his son, What about your result, son? I'm really sorry, Mr. John. I'm failed. The fourth one is friend number 1. Hey, what's up? Friend number 2. Nothing much, converting oxygen into carbon dioxide. Friend 1. How the hell did you do that? Friend 2. Breathing, dude. The next one is police. Where do you live? Mintu. With my parents. Police. Where do your parents live? Mintu. With me. Police. Where do you all live? Mintu. Together. Police. Where is your house? Mintu. Next to my neighbor's house. Police. Where is your neighbor's house? Mintu. If I tell you, you won't believe me. Police. Tell me please. Mintu. Next to my house. Thank you so much. Thank you, Miss Paya. So, Father, I would like to a piece of information with general knowledge.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sambalya Yashvi and today I will present some general knowledge in front of you. Hummingbird. Hummingbird is the tiniest bird in the world. They will take about 250 breaths per minute while at rest. The hummingbird has an average lifespan about 5 years. Hummingbird needs to eat on average 7 times per hour for about 30 to 60 seconds. They are the only birds that can fly forwards and backwards. Hummingbirds have tiny hairs on the tip of the tongue to help lap up nectar, and they can also see ultraviolet light. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the general knowledge, Yashvi. As we know that a motivational story can change our lives, so here I would like to call Ms. Sakshi on the stage with a motivational story in front of us.
Good morning everyone, myself Sakshi Rathod and today I will present a moral story in front of you all. The title of the moral story is Don't Judge Others. A little girl was holding the 2 apples. Her mother asked for one. The girl quickly beat both of the apples, so her mother felt disappointed and felt that my daughter doesn't want to give me an apple. Then the girl handed one to her mother and saying that here is a sweeter one. So mother smiled and told to her daughter that you are very a good girl. So the moral of the story is don't judge other without understand what is the matter behind it.
Thank you, Sakshi, for motivational story. Thank you all of you to listen us carefully and to enjoy our memorable assembly. Here we are wishing you a glorious morning. Have a fabulous day.